Morning. It's a foggy Friday. Yeah, we got a little bit of a debacle going on in our town. Evidently, the water district had some, what they said was filters fail. So they said there's a do not drink the water order for our town because of they believe high levels of arsenic in the water. The state called all the businesses, or most of the businesses I should say, told them to shut down. Fortunately, my son and my wife's employer, they do not use town water to prepare food. The only thing they use town water for is to wash dishes. But they were fortunate enough, they have those big jugs that the drinking fountains you see work. They have that at their employer, so they're using that water to wash dishes. So they lucked out there, so they were able to stay open. And we are 10 miles to our first delivery. I've got 11 pallets on, 3 stops. So let's get over here and start kicking these things off. Yeah, this one's definitely inside delivery. Will need the pallet jack for this one. I gotta try to set myself up so I can get the pallets off the passenger side. Easy. Because with the 11, I've got one setting on the pallet jack. Always gonna be a pain to try to grab, but. You don't want mine? You got it? Okay. That was nice. He had his own pallet jack and wanted to use his own pallet jack. I offered him mine, but he didn't want it. But we are 11 miles to the next one. Yeah, 4 pallets of these Envy blocks. Outside delivery. Customers putting them in immediately. 12 miles to our next one. They just gave me a street. I got no house number. I sent the customer a text trying to find out what house number they are at. And if they don't get back to me by the time I get there, I'll just have to try to remember which one it is. They're an existing customer of ours, so I've probably been there. Hopefully I remember which house it is. I should. Yep, 3 pallet outside delivery. Yeah, we're 12 miles to the mill. So go down there, throw a load on, and then we got a single delivery to do with that load. Alright, we are 12 miles to the next one. The only delivery we have with this load. They could go kick 3 off, and then we're taking the rest back to the warehouse. I gotta take the whole load off, put other stuff on, and then put 3 more on. Oh, it's gonna be a fun day, fun load. Let's get down here and start kicking this delivery off. This one shouldn't take long at all. Be real quick. let's head back to the warehouse. That is literally straight across through the woods here. We're less than a quarter of a mile away. Head down here at the warehouse now. I gotta strip all that off the truck. And I gotta put 7 of these ones on. These are the NV8s. The only difference between the NV8s and these NVs, there's 3 blocks to a package. This has got 6. It's the only difference. Made with the same material, pretty much the same dies, just 3 larger ones. I say same size, same dies, but these are 3 larger blocks. These ones here are about half the size. So there's 6 to a package, 3 to a package. We're gonna take everything off the truck, put 7 of these on, and then put 3 of those Wood & Sons back on. And that's 2 deliveries. Both of them say inside garage. So let's get going on this, get this thing stripped off and reloaded. Called the customer, let him know I was coming. He wanted a 15 minutes heads up. So I called, told him what time I'd be there. He's happy with that. So let's get down here and kick it off. Yeah, 3 pallet inside delivery. Shouldn't take long at all. Last year, this customer kind of fell asleep when I was doing the delivery. I gotta get it right close to that bottom shelf though, right? Huh? Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. So you just want to just in like 3 in a row right there? Yeah. Oh, hell, I won't need the pallet jack there for that. Oh, I can take it. Well, no, you gotta paint the floor. I won't do that.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I gotta repaint it anyway.
You sure? customer. Just slide it in. He's got a painted garage floor. He's like, I don't know if you can hear it or not. But he says, don't worry about it. He's gonna repaint it. And that's when you heard me go, are you sure? And I don't like damaging and doing anything like that. A regular concrete floor, yeah, it's all right. I mean, I tried to minimize it, pushing it. Unless customers always told me, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. And I've had a few do that. But I tried to minimize the amount of scratches on the floor I put. And that one was painted. He said he wasn't worried about it. But we are 7 miles to the next one. Let's get down here, kick this 7 off. Shows it as a inside delivery. Looks like I'm able to get the truck down in this customer's one. Last year I lugged everything in. I'm gonna try backing down in there on this time today. Oh yeah, this will cut my time in half, at least in half here. I am back in here. We had a boat or something back here last year. I couldn't. Is the reason why I didn't back down in here. We're gonna head back up to the mill, grab a load from up there, head to the shop. All right, let's head back to the shop, see what else we got for the day. I think this is it for the day, because Monday's Memorial Day and trying to get off the road before traffic really hits. You know, something I haven't done with you for a while is, let's go for a nice little jaunt home. How's that? I'm gonna take the back roads. I'm not gonna jump on the turnpike. I'll just take the back way up through. All right? I'll see you at the house. How's that?
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
As you can see, change of plans. I'm here at the pellet store. Gonna put backup lights on the owner's RV. He's going on vacation for a couple weeks and he wants some backup lights on it to they're towing their vehicle down on a trailer, so he wants backup lights on the vehicle, on the camper, so he can see the trailer that's carrying his vehicle. And what I'm gonna do is that's on narrow. That's better. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this part of the video in for Saturday. So extending this one here, this will be Saturday's video. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.